Is it authentic? Nope. Is it delicious? Yup. Are you gonna worry about it? Nope. And have I been on TikTok too much? Yup. Welcome to a Yappy's Kitchen. I'm Kate, a Yappy, and this is my kitchen. Today I want to show you Chrissy Teigen's miso pasta. Now I can't take credit for this recipe obviously because it's not mine, but I actually learned about this recipe through my friend Leanne who shared it on her Instagram story, but she did it with a little twist. So I'm going to show you what you're going to need. You're going to need some spaghetti pasta. You're going to need about 3 eggs, your light miso paste, some samba olek, chili flakes, some Parmigiano Reggiano, and you're gonna need a little bit of bacon, or I'm using pancetta here, which is fine. And of course, you're gonna need your green onions. And lastly, what Leanne did was she used her crab meat, and I just thought, oh, how phenomenal is this? So today, we're gonna make Chrissy Teigen's miso pasta with crab chunks. Okay, now I have a pot with some water in it, and I'm just gonna put it on a rolling boil, and then I think I'm gonna use maybe just 1/3 of this bag of pasta noodles. Spaghetti, I mean. It's just my husband and I, so. I'm just gonna start dicing my pancetta into small cubes. Put it to the side now and wait for that to cool down. The recipe calls for about 2 tablespoons of light miso. So I have about 2 here. And 3 tablespoons of the samba olek. 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna put in a little bit of hot water. Give that a mix. Ooh, I love the color. And then I'm gonna add my 3 eggs. That's it. And then I'm going to open my crab can. And I'm just going to fold these in after the cooking process have been almost completed, because I don't want the crab chunks to kind of break apart Okay, so let's get started on assembling our pasta. Okay, we're gonna add in our pancetta again in a clean pan. And I'm going to add in, my beautiful pasta. Now I'm going to add in the sauce. I'm going to turn off the heat because every time I make carbonara, I always end up with pasta and scrambled eggs. So we're gonna be a little bit more on the conservative side. Of chili flakes because I think it needs a little bit more heat. Really good. Now, if you're like me and you like food that is very flavorful and very savory, then this recipe is perfect. But if you like things that are a little bit on the lighter side, then I would probably stick to the original recipe where it calls for bacon instead of pancetta. And I would probably put a little bit less samba olek. But I mean, overall, this recipe is perfect for me because that's how we like to eat things in our household. We like it very flavorful. So this is absolutely amazing. Now, this is one of those recipes as well, I think, to be honest, it tastes better than it looks, because as I was mixing it, I was kind of thinking to myself, I don't know, is it gonna turn out okay? But it turned out wonderfully. Even though it looks a bit. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and be sure to click like and subscribe. Support a nice Southeast Asian girl like me. And I'll see you next time. Bye!